In this video, we'll compare Bluehost and Squarespace, two popular platforms for building websites, and we'll help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Whether you're starting a blog, an online store, or a business website, stick around as we break it all down. In this video, we'll cover domain registration services, hosting plans and pricing, performance and speed, ease of use, customer support, and security features. By the end, you'll know exactly which service is the right fit for you. Let's start with a quick overview. Bluehost, founded in 2003, is officially recommended by WordPress.org and focuses on performance, WordPress integration, and ease of use. Squarespace, founded in 2003, is a website builder designed for visually stunning websites with built-in templates and e-commerce tools. It's popular with creatives and businesses focused on design. Both platforms offer website solutions, but they serve different needs. Let's dive into the details. Bluehost includes a free domain for the first year with hosting plans, making it a good choice for new website owners. Squarespace also provides a free domain for the first year, but its focus is more on design and content than domain management tools. For domain services, Bluehost offers slightly better management tools, especially for WordPress users. Now, let's talk hosting plans and pricing. Bluehost shared hosting starts at $2.95 per month, including free SSL certificate, a CDN, and WordPress optimization. Squarespace starts at $16 per month, including hosting, design templates, and e-commerce features. It's more expensive, but caters to users looking for simplicity and visual appeal. If budget and scalability are priorities, Bluehost wins. For design-focused users, Squarespace is worth the premium pricing. Bluehost guarantees 99.98% uptime and provides SSD storage and CDN integration for fast performance. Squarespace also offers reliable uptime, but performance may lag slightly compared to Bluehost due to its focus on design-heavy features. If speed and performance matter most, Bluehost is the better choice. If visual design is your focus, Squarespace delivers exceptional results. Both platforms are beginner-friendly, but they serve different audiences. Bluehost offers a traditional cPanel interface and pre-installed WordPress for easy setup. Squarespace features a drag-and-drop website builder designed for non-technical users who want visually stunning sites with minimal effort. If you prioritize ease of design, Squarespace is better. If you prefer WordPress integration, Bluehost is easier to manage. Bluehost offers 24/7 support via phone, chat, and ticket, with a focus on WordPress-related help. Squarespace provides 24/7 email and live chat support, but no phone support. For technical issues, Bluehost provides more robust support. For design-related questions, Squarespace excels. Bluehost includes free SSL certificates, malware scanning, and daily backups in higher-tier plans. Squarespace also offers free SSL certificates and built-in security features, but lacks advanced tools for malware scanning and backups. For advanced security, Bluehost has the edge, while Squarespace keeps things simple and effective for most users. So, which one should you choose? Bluehost is ideal for WordPress users, bloggers, and businesses focused on performance and scalability. Squarespace is better for designers, creatives, and businesses looking for visually stunning all-in-one website building solutions. If performance, WordPress integration, and scalability matter most to you, Bluehost is a great choice. Click my affiliate link in the description to explore their plans and get started right away. It doesn't cost anything extra and it supports the channel. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments which provider you prefer and why. See you in the next video.